Look at that.
Look at what happened.
That's awesome. So yeah, I'm heading back home from work, and this is sitting out here by this dumpster here, along with 3 TVs. Junk Dauber would be all excited about that. Dumpster juice. I would pick stuff out of there, but look at all those bugs. Ugh, it's nasty. I'm gonna grab this and load it up. Good Wednesday afternoon, everyone. How are you doing out there? It is about 3:30 in the afternoon, and I am heading over to pick up Bob, which means, do you know what time it is? Don't change that channel. It is... Look at this guy. What kind of shirt is that?
Well, you're going to have to help me out.
How's that?
Because I've been gone for a while.
Yeah.
And there's viewers out here sent me a nice t-shirt, if you can read that. Can you see?
Breaking Bad.
Yeah, somebody likes me, sent me this shirt.
Really?
Yes. And I'm going to wear it tonight.
So somebody sent you a Breaking Bad t-shirt.
Exactly. So I don't know who it was, but I wanted to thank the viewer for that.
Well, who in the hell's sending you stuff? They don't send me stuff.
Hey, you got a Matman collection. I get your shit all the time.
So far, we only hit 2 dumpsters, but if you can tell by that sky, we got a storm coming in any second. It's not going to be good for dumpster diving, that's for sure. Okay, guys. It's just about ready to storm here. Oh, it's full. Oh, I forgot to get that damn dog out of there. All right, let's go. Woo. Looks like it's getting clearer over there, so hopefully it'll clear off here. We can keep picking.
Yes, by all means.
By all means.
By all means.
Bob's out there in the rain. I don't know if you can see that barely, but there's a table and chairs, or it's a chair. Oh hell, folding table.
I lost my glove.
Oh, all right, we have plenty more.
I'll do anything for a friend. Box of rocks.
Box of rocks.
It must be somebody's pets.
Well, the rain is not letting up, so Bob's gonna go buy me something nice, aren't you, Bob?
Yes, yes, by all means. Anybody put up with me, you gotta have something nice.
That's right. So we're gonna head over to the Goodwill, the Jolly Goodwill. That is a big elephant. Melissa and Doug. How much is Melissa's? $5.88 for a giant elephant. Good deal or bad deal? Hard to say. There's no lightsaber.
You need this for your...
We can battle lightsabers.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what you need.
We'll take it. How much is it? 3? Yeah, we'll take it with us.
No, you don't want that.
You sure? Oh, there we go. That's kind of like the one you got.
$6.88.
What? No way.
That's $5 for this.
$2.88. Still, wow. Oh, did you see this now? They're taping up the boobies on the Barbies so that so you can't see their boobs.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I did, because I've been looking at the boobs. Look at that, every one of them. Oh goodness gracious, cover up those boobs. That's my dream car right there, Cobra.
I gotta get the truck first, Shane.
I know. Priorities. It's only 88 cents.
Not loaded. You're lucky.
Thank God.
You got off lucky.
Charlie's Angels. Are you kidding me? And here's Cody. Very
Yeah,
nice.
thanks.
Very nice. Very sussy.
Is it a band here?
Or one of those. It's Cody Simpson. Yeah, Cody Simpson.
World Tour.
Believe it or not, I saw this guy at concert when my kids were little. High. Oh, look at. Don't mess with Bob and his gun. Well, you can be a police officer?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Think a good one, huh?
Bob the cop. No, I don't think you make a good one. Neither do the viewers. They're shaking their heads.
Handcuffs.
You take it home to your wife?
I think so. I think they break by the time you get off the bedpost. Think so? Is that me or not?
That is so you. Try on the blue one now. I forgot you're colorblind. Just put that anywhere.
Okay, I'll put it down there for now.
Oh yeah, that's better. That's, yeah.
Got shades or something. Oh, there's
Yeah, right
shades.
there.
Oh, 9 yards.
We could like stop traffic and.
You got
What about your floral headband? You won't forget your floral headband.
Oh, you want me to try that on too?
Sure, put that one on there. Yeah, that's. Oh yeah. Very nice. He's so pretty. Still.
Them shoes would be so nice over there with this.
It's clobbering time. Hulk smash.
Oh, look at this, man. This has got to be the one.
Oh, there you go.
This has got to be the one.
Watch out. You're scaring the lady behind you.
Oh!
Do them both. There you go. That's Friday. Move them around. Hey, shave yourself with it. Rah, rah, sis boom ba. I want to see you do that at the dumpster someday.
Yeah.
You can cheer me on. All right, look at this though.
Oh,
We got our new dumpster picker.
awesome. Yeah.
You get that garbage out of there. I wonder if I can make it give you the finger. Oh, look, there's a vacuum cleaner. Oh no, somebody already cut the cord. See ya, Bob sucks. Question goes out to Big Keg from the land down under. Check this hat out in the Halloween stuff. It is from Mount Castle. Is that Party Limited? Melbourne, Queensland, Australia. 7.5. What do you think, buddy? Any value there? Okay. Well, everybody, we're at the Goodwill, and yeah, so the sun is out. The rain has stopped. So let's get to picking. The man, the legend. Woo! Picking up a box of stovepipe that's been out in the rain. But we're desperate and we'll take it. Very nice, very nice. You know, can we put that in the car and go now?
Oh, yes. I forgot.
All right, everybody, found a little pile here of wet trash. There's a dresser with some knobs on it. So, can I have a screwdriver, please?
You know, I was going to do it.
You said I had to do it. He's getting bossy. Oh, look what I found, though, Bob. Yeah. Check it out. I can get it off the wetness. Look what I got, Bob.
You ain't seen what I got. Oh, come on now. But how about a lamp? Did you buy that?
Oh.
Coleman lamp.
Seriously? Is there a battery operator on the bottom? Is it sealed?
Yep.
Yeah, we'll take that. Holy crap. Wow.
Bottom's off.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna pull down the hill here. You know, if we had a drill that was charged, this would be a lot faster. But no, I gotta do everything in this relationship. Now I know how Diane feels. It's cheap entertainment. The Smurfs. Oh, it's in there, folks. Is it in there? Negative, Ghost Rider. These are coming out nice and easy.
Grand Auto Theft. Why did they even see these in there?
Grand Auto Theft? Grand Auto Theft?
Yeah.
Grand Theft Auto.
Is that the same thing?
Nice drawers. They're all... Oops. I got the dovetail joints and everything. Okay, I got my hardware. You ready to go, or are you going to keep picking it?
Oh, this one's in there, Keaton.
What is it? SmackDown? Is it in there? Seriously?
Yep.
His grandson Keaton loves the WWE. Huge fan of The Undertaker.
Play 2 station.
Look at that. That's awesome, man.
PlayStation 3.
Did you just say play 2 station? He just said play 2 station.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at all this money. Money, money, money. Probably 20 bucks for the hardware. Free entertainment, too. We just found that Xbox 360 Badlands. I think it's called, was it Borderlands 2? Show them the cover of it. It comes with bugs and everything.
Does it come with them?
Yeah, they're free.
No, it don't.
Wow. You know what I'm thinking? Another reason I can't wait to get a truck is when you have a van, you put stuff in it, stuff pokes you in the back all the time, you know? But anyway, we were loading legs off of that table right there. As we were doing that, a guy came driving by really slow, and I thought, oh God, he's gonna say something, and he did. He said, there's a little trailer down here by that gray car. It's got junk lawnmower in it and junk metal. Take whatever you can fit. So let's do this thing. All right. So he's got a lawnmower here, he said. And apparently those fans. So I was just checking the video footage and I saw that it was all out of focus. Don't know why, but it is what it is. Anyway, we did get the lawnmower in there, the fans, that bagger stuff, and Bob's just up here at this door seeing if anybody's home, because that is a cast iron sink right there. So apparently nobody's home though. Oh, look at that. He does have the eye. See all that water come on the bottom of that thing? Wow. 1 and a 2. Make it fit. I bet you that is aluminum.
It is. Yes, it is.
It's aluminum or steel?
Yeah.
Let's see. Here's the magnet. I told you it was stainless steel. Oh, there it is. Well, we're getting a decent load there. We're having a rough start with the rain. Just turn the corner and here's this dumpster and
What, nails?
nails. Huh.
That's a compressor rig.
Oh, it's a compressor. I thought it was a cord. Well, you know what? That's a piece of brass, though. We'll cut that off. I'll go get my knife. Bob's pulling out the aluminum. What are you doing? Oh, okay. And he's taking the bicycle, apparently. Anyway, I got the brass off that piece. Nice heavy piece of brass. Everybody, we ended up with 360 pounds, which I was surprised. I didn't really think that we had that much back there. So 20 bucks, 20.70. The change went to the kitty, and so did $4. So Bob and I ended up with $8 a piece. So yeah, not too bad of a day. All right, guys, it's me and Bob. We're at my house. We are doing some cleanup here. Everything in the van, pretty much, you see there is aluminum. This is all aluminum. 2 aluminum chairs. This is a 32 or 33 gallon garbage can full of cords. And we're also taking this tote right here, which has aluminum in it. So we're gonna take that down to Dell's, see what we can get for it. And I also wanna find out what they're paying for shred down there. A little backed up here today.
How's that?
All right, guys, we got treated right again down here at Dell's Metal. 29 pounds of aluminum breakage. Oh, we only got $1.16 for 29 pounds of aluminum? Wow. $1.60, I'll show you in a second. $1.60, so we got 30 pounds of clean aluminum apparently. It's $12. Number 2 copper wire with insulated was the 70 pounds. That's what we had in the garbage can, so we made $35 on those cords. And cast aluminum, we made $10.50. So for a whopping $58.66, I think Bob and I together, that's our best day ever. Okay, so the truck got 12, and we get 23 each. What do you think?
Bad.
Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. All right, well, back to let's hit the road again. It smells like smoke in there. Here, I'll hold that up for you.
I gotta get my other one. That?
Is it? Uh-oh. We're gonna get the big boy out, huh?
Get the big one out.
Alright. I like Bob so much I made him this pick and stick.
They're nice.
They're nice, yeah. Pretty and expensive. But now let's see, does the man have the skill? Oh, my ears! You can do it, Bob, you can do it! Everybody at home right now is pulling for you.
Come on, man. Somebody just stuck the cord on it.
Look at that.
Look at what happened.
That's awesome. Got it?
Yep.
Woo! So Bob came across this truck today. There was a guy parked over there, and apparently Bob talked to him and said, what's the story with this truck? It's been here a while, you can tell the tires are all sunken down.
Oh, shit. They don't go with the truck, though. They gotta go.
Oh, man. Oh, water in the back there, too.
It's been there for a while.
It's been there for a long time. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap up this episode. keep tiptoeing.
Yeah, you're so tall, Shane.
Here, let me scrunch down. There, can you see us both now?
There we are.
All right, anyway, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. We are looking for trucks, but Bob wanted to say something real quick.
Hey, Romantic, I can't thank you enough for your kind donation of the $200, man. You just inherited a good friend for life. I tell you, thank you so much.
Yeah, you definitely touched both of our hearts for that, Romantic, so thanks again.
It is.
Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves, and we will see you where, Bob?
At the next dumpster.
All right, peace out, everybody.